Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna do a demo on the 6 Plus Master. Let's go ahead and pop it open. There's been other videos already, so we're gonna go ahead and try see which one. All right, let's drop it. All right, cool. All right, we'll do the silver. Do the silver one, silver sleeve. Go ahead. Just give me a minute. Let me get the so you guys can see. All right, there you go. Master 6 Plus. So we're gonna go ahead and pop one off. Let me see. The shot I will be doing is, well, the first one right out the box. So we'll do that. Let's see if it has any writing and description for. Nope, it has no description on what number one does. So you and myself will be the first ones to see what shot number one does. So yeah, let's get to it. Master 6 Plus